I've decided it's time to open up the air box and inspect the filter on this bike, which I've never done. And here we go. Well, that's a little disappointing. I pull the seat and the air filter looks like a grunge ball that has maybe never been cleaned. Sure glad I decided to check it. I assumed that the airbox lid, the snorkel, was in place, and obviously assumed incorrectly. I had plans to remove it eventually anyway, but somebody already did it for me, so here we go. So I got the air filter out, and unfortunately at this point things are so nasty that in getting it out, some dirt bits fell down into there, and the whole box just needs to be cleaned. So this project just became bigger. But we may as well do it right. Oh boy, did that turn into a project. I'm going to go inside and get a plastic bag to put over the carburetor, another plastic bag to put over the head pipe. There's my airbox and the silencer, seat, air filter, plastics. I had to gut this thing back here to get that airbox out. I thought it would be easier, but it looks like they intend people to maintain things better so that they don't have to remove the airbox. That's a tight fit. Good news. It's done. I got it all back together. Took it out last night after I finished getting the seat on it and everything else, and installing the new air filter, putting it all back together, and it started on the first kick. Took it out for about a 10-minute ride. Everything felt great, sounded great, so I think we're back in action. Loving this KLX 300R.